Welcome, food adventurers. Thank you for joining us on the Do You Know channel. Today, we're diving into a world of culinary wonders, unfamiliar foods and exotic fruits that will tantalize your taste buds and spark your curiosity. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a flavorful journey with us. Let's dive in and savor these incredible discoveries together. Do you know about kopi luwak? It's a special coffee made from beans that a little animal called the civet eats. After the civet eats the coffee cherries, the beans inside its tummy get fermented. When the civet poops them out, those beans are cleaned and roasted to make coffee. Some people think it tastes really special and smooth. But it's important to know that there are concerns about how the civets are treated in making this coffee, so it's essential to find it from places that treat animals well. Do you know about chili peppers? They're those fiery, colorful veggies that can make your mouth feel like it's on fire. These little guys come in lots of shapes, sizes, and colors, from red and green to even yellow or purple. When you take a bite, they can be super spicy because of something called capsaicin, which gives them their heat. Some people love adding them to food to make it extra tasty and spicy, while others might find them a bit too hot to handle. But did you know that chili peppers aren't just about heat? They also have vitamins and other good stuff that can be healthy for you. Do you know about wasabi? It's that green stuff often served with sushi that can really clear your sinuses. Wasabi looks a bit like green paste and has a strong, spicy flavor that can make your nose tingle. It's made from the grated root of the wasabi plant. What's interesting is that real wasabi can be quite tricky to grow and is pretty expensive. Sometimes, what you get in restaurants is a mix of horseradish and mustard-colored green to look like real wasabi. It might taste similar, but real wasabi has a unique and more subtle flavor. Some people love it for its spiciness, while others find it a bit too intense. Do you know that honey never spoils? Yes, it's true. Honey is a magical food that can last for a really, really long time without going bad. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old, and guess what? The honey was still good. It's all because of honey's special properties. It has low moisture and high acidity, which make it hard for bacteria and microorganisms to survive in it. That's why you can keep that jar of honey in your cupboard for ages, and it'll still be perfect for a sweet treat. Do you know that bananas are considered berries? It might seem surprising because when we think of berries, we often picture small, round fruits like strawberries or blueberries. But in botanical terms, berries are fruits that develop from a single flower with one ovary and contain seeds inside. Bananas fit this description. They grow from a single flower with multiple ovaries, and each section of the banana is technically a fruit with seeds. So, even though they might not look like typical berries, bananas are indeed classified as berries in the world of botany. Do you know that carmine, a red food coloring, actually comes from crushed cochineal insects? It might sound surprising, but this pigment, also known as cochineal extract, is made by grinding up these tiny insects found in Central and South America. Their bodies yield a rich, vibrant red dye called carminic acid. This natural dye is used in various foods and products to give them a red or pink hue. So, that red color in some of your favorite foods might just come from these little bugs. Do you know that saffron is the world's most expensive spice? It's true. Saffron is incredibly valuable because it's harvested from the delicate threads of the Crocus sativus flower. Each tiny thread must be hand-picked, making it a labor-intensive process. To get just 1 pound of saffron, you'd need thousands of these threads, which is why it's so pricey. Saffron is cherished for its unique flavor, vibrant color, and its use in various dishes worldwide, from paella to risotto. Its high cost makes it a luxury spice, often used sparingly to add a special touch to food and drinks. Do you know that pineapples take almost 2 years to grow? Yes, it's surprising. Growing a pineapple is quite a patient process. After planting the top part of a ripe pineapple, it takes about 18 to 24 months for the plant to produce a mature fruit. The pineapple plant goes through various stages, growing leaves, forming a stalk, and then finally producing a single fruit at the top. It's a slow and steady journey, but the sweet reward of a ripe, juicy pineapple makes the wait worth it. Do you know that the term hamburger actually originated from Hamburg, Germany? It's interesting. While the hamburger sandwich as we know it today didn't specifically come from Hamburg, the name reflects its historical roots. The concept of a beef patty served between bread likely evolved from the Hamburg-style beef that German immigrants brought to the United States. Over time, this dish became popular in America, and eventually, it got the name hamburger, paying homage to its German origins. Do you know? McDonald's reportedly sells around 75 hamburgers per second globally. That's an astonishing figure reflecting the immense scale of their operations. This fast food giant has established a substantial presence in over 100 countries, serving an extensive menu that includes various types of burgers, from the classic hamburger and cheeseburger to more specialized options like the Big Mac, Quarter Pounder, and regional offerings tailored to local tastes. Each year, McDonald's serves billions of burgers worldwide, making it one of the largest contributors to the global fast food industry. These figures demonstrate both the popularity of their burgers and the vastness of their customer base across diverse regions and cultures. Do you know about the melon called the Yubari King? It's a highly prized and sought-after fruit grown in Japan. The Yubari King melon is renowned for its exceptional sweetness, beautiful round shape, and vibrant orange flesh. This melon is cultivated in the Yubari region of Hokkaido, Japan, where ideal growing conditions contribute to its premium quality. Renowned for its exquisite taste and high price, the Yubari King melon is often given as luxurious gifts and fetches significant prices at auctions, making it one of the most expensive melons globally. Do you know about ackee, the tropical fruit known for its vibrant appearance and unique flavor? Originating from West Africa and revered as Jamaica's national fruit, ackee has a pear-like shape with bright red skin that splits open to reveal glossy black seeds nestled in creamy yellow flesh when fully ripe. But here's an important note: while ackee is a delicious addition to many dishes, it requires careful preparation. Unripe fruit and seeds contain a toxin called hypoglycin, so proper ripening and cooking are crucial to ensure it's safe for consumption. In Jamaican cuisine, it's most famously paired with salted cod to create the beloved dish known as ackee and salt fish, a flavorful delight often enjoyed as a breakfast staple. Do you know about huitlacoche, also known as corn smut or Mexican truffle? It's a unique and prized ingredient in Mexican cuisine that might surprise you. It's actually a type of fungus that grows on corn. Despite its unconventional origin as a plant disease, huitlacoche is celebrated for its distinctive flavor. With a taste that's often described as earthy, slightly sweet, and savory, it's become a sought-after delicacy. This fungus creates swollen, dark growths on corn cobs, and when harvested, it's used in various dishes like quesadillas and tamales. Its texture is somewhat reminiscent of mushrooms, and while its appearance might be unexpected, its rich, unique taste has made it a beloved and significant ingredient in traditional Mexican cooking. Do you know about fufu, a staple food in many West African countries? Fufu is a dish made from starchy ingredients like cassava, yams, plantains, or a combination of these, which are boiled, pounded, and formed into a dough-like consistency. It's often prepared by pounding the boiled starchy ingredients with a mortar and pestle until it becomes smooth and stretchy. This dish holds significant cultural importance and is commonly served alongside soups, stews, or sauces. Fufu's mild flavor complements the savory or spicy flavors of the accompanying dishes. It's enjoyed in various forms across different regions in West Africa and is typically eaten by tearing off a small portion of the fufu and using it to scoop up the soup or stew. The preparation and consumption of fufu are often part of communal meals and social gatherings, reflecting its role beyond mere sustenance, as it brings people together. Food is not merely sustenance, it's a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and nourishment. It serves as a bridge that connects us to our roots and introduces us to diverse traditions. The culinary world is a realm of endless discovery, where flavors and ingredients blend to create unique experiences. From the subtle intricacies of fine dining to the comfort of home-cooked meals, food evokes memories, stirs emotions, and satisfies our most basic human desires. It's a form of expression, an art form that delights the senses, and a catalyst for gatherings, celebrations, and conversations. Exploring the world through its cuisines allows us to connect with people, places, and stories, turning every meal into a journey of exploration and understanding. Subscribe for more videos. Be well, and stay safe.